What's up, everybody? Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Daolity coin. Looks like a combination of duality and a DAO, a decentralized autonomous organization. And Daolity is the ticker symbol as well, DAOLITY. And this token, it was just announced, is getting a very big central exchange listing starting May 16th. This token will be listed on a very big central exchange, and we're going to talk about the info on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So Daolity is a multi-tenant platform that offers businesses and comprehensive suites of blockchain functionality via a user-friendly API and SDK integration. Our main value proposition lies in simplifying blockchain adoption, reducing regulatory liabilities, and accelerating development cycles for the clients. Now, this token is getting a very big central exchange listing. Starting May 16th at 12 p.m. UTC time, this token will be listed on Gate or Gate.io. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Gate account, you could download Gate from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or open an account on your PC at Gate.io. You would then fund your account with USDT. Then when this token gets listed on Gate May 16th, you would go into the trade section, search Daolity, all one word, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So this token here has a full link tree there on their Twitter. So if you're looking for any of the links, webpage, socials, whatever, light paper, it's all going to be on the link tree. 88,700 Twitter followers, gold verified checkmark at Daolity _coin, 393 posts. So pretty active on the socials there. Now it says, Daolity provides pre-built compliance features to simplify adherence to blockchain regulations like KYC and AML. Businesses can integrate Daolity to ensure compliance without requiring in-depth legal knowledge, reducing regulatory risks, and facilitating blockchain adoption. Daolity's platform offers a strong and scalable infrastructure, enabling businesses to effortlessly expand their blockchain applications. As users' numbers increase, this ensures that businesses can manage higher transaction volumes without sacrificing security or performance, effectively meeting the needs of their growing user base. So they have tutorials, quick start guides, all on their document section, docs.daolity.com, if you want to check that out. They have the start your journey section with registration and account setup, obtaining API keys and SDK integration credentials, prerequisites to use Daolity APIs and SDKs, and installation. Then they have the Daolity setup, dashboard, SDKs, and then they have NFT collection endpoint section. So if you want to check out the IS whitelisted section, minting, withdrawing, all that stuff is on there. They have guides for wallets and references, pricing, glossary, terminologies, frequently asked questions. So some of the frequently asked questions would be like, what is Daolity? So Daolity is, we already went over all that there. And it says, why should developers use Daolity? what chains are allowed on Daolity, and that would be Ethereum, BNB, and then there's a CeeLo chain testnet. And how can I upgrade my Daolity plan? You visit the Daolity billing model to view our current plans or email out support to the support team for more details. How do you create NFTs? So all that type of stuff is going to be on there. And then they have the web page here, Daolity.com, that has docs, blog, support, strategy hub. So superpowers to build Web3 features, fast as lightning. Daolity makes it easy to build, test, deploy Web3 apps and features your business needs alongside your team in minutes with no clicks, with clicks and no code, there's a demo you could actually watch on the web page as well. They have tons and tons of partners on here, Mercury, Retool, Descript, Cash App, Raycast, etc., powering the world's best product teams for next-gen startups to establish enterprises. So this is a BaaS. So Daolity is a blockchain as a service platform that provides businesses with a wide range of blockchain functionality through a user-friendly API and software development kit. SDK integration using Daolity means less maintenance of legacy systems and more focus on core customer and product experiences. Daolity is the most powerful low-code platform for creating powerful Web3 features fast. Built for you to build Web3 faster as a team, Daolity brings together all of your teams to speed out and simplify shipping high-quality Web3 features and integrations. You can explore world-class, ready-to-deploy smart contracts. They provide a collection of audited smart contracts from world-class Web3 protocols and engineers, all deployable to your projects in one click. Build fast with drag and drop. Fly through customer-facing Web3 platforms and internal tools in hours instead of months. And you can test APIs in real time, reduce the risk of code uncertainty by utilizing the all-new API testing right inside of Daolity. Bring your team with you. Collaborate with the development, marketing, and founding team. Invite anyone to start. A clean and user-friendly dashboard designed for the fast pixel and engineered for unforgiving precision. Daolity combines UI elegance with world-class performance. Optimize, track, and analyze your project's usage statistics. You can manage, monitor, and streamline operations across multiple projects with automatic pre-built reports with fast on-chain analytics. So go check it all out, Daolity.com. You can find this token listed on Gate starting on the 16th. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.